Penelope's turn to stack the blocks.
You can put it on.
You put it on. Yay! Now it's Penelope's turn again.
You stack it?
Oh, okay. We got to replace that one.
That's good.
Oh no!
Oh no.
Oh no.
Okay. Bye-bye, tower. Build it again.
You put a block on?
Yay!